Hey there fellow sleep seekers, my name is Adriana reporting for the Sleep Sherpa, and today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Pacific Coast Hotel Down Comforter. I've reviewed a down comforter by Pacific Coast in the past, and I have to say I really like their product. However, the one thing I'm not totally crazy about this time around is just the packaging. Last time I received it just in a normal package. This time that's not the case. I'm sure that this is a lot more economical for them, but as far as I guess the unboxing experience, it doesn't look very flattering. However, the most important thing is really what's inside, so I guess we're gonna focus on that today, and let's check it out. Okay, that looks a whole lot better if you ask me. So the Hotel Down Comforter is said to be for people that typically sleep in an average climate. It's said to be good for any season. As far as Pacific Coast is concerned, they do offer a 3-year limited warranty as well as a 30-day comfort trial. So you do have some time to figure out whether or not you like it and if it's for you. And to be honest with you, with something like this, I think you'll know immediately if you like it, if you don't. But if you happen to be indecisive, you do have 4 weeks to decide. So far, as I'm opening this, I'm seeing that the comforter is more on the flatter side. This is most likely because we just unpackaged it. I'm assuming that it will gain some loft as we let it sit here. But one thing that I am looking out for is that being that it's supposed to be appropriate for all different climates, we're looking for a comforter that isn't too overwhelmingly thick. So it's not too warm, you don't like kind of overheat in it. We're looking for something that kind of falls in the middle. You know, so it's not too thin, not too thick, but something that can be, what's the word I'm looking for? Something that can be adequate for various climates. So one of the first things you'll see is that they do have this sewn in this like quadrant style. There is a particular name for this, and I forget what the name is offhand, of course. But you can see there's like these quadrants here and stuff, right? And what they've done is they use a specific fabric to prevent any of the down to escape. Every so often you may find like a little piece of fluff here and there, but it's nothing crazy, not like what I've seen with cheaper types of products. So with this, they've really made a valiant effort to keep everything where it's supposed to be. You will also find on the corners what they call duvet loops, and this will help you when you're putting on a duvet cover. Duvet covers will typically come with these strings on the corners that let you attach to here so that your comforter doesn't like move to one part of the duvet cover, so that it all stays intact. Okay, but so far so good. I want to get into a cocoon. Wow, I have to say I'm pleasantly surprised. When I first tried their previous comforter, also a down comforter, it was so warm and so wonderful for cold winter days, but I knew that it wouldn't be suitable for every day or for the fall or things like that. But this one is super different. It's so much lighter and I love the way it feels. It's actually really awesome. So this is just for me like a 10 out of 10. I'm really impressed. And I have to say, I like this a lot. I think this would be really great for like fall, winter, and spring. This is really neat. And I think it's like just the perfect proportion of goose down. So that's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you found this video to be insightful. If you'd like to learn more, there will be a written review linked down below. And I'll see you guys next time for more sleep-related reviews. Take it easy.